Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and today I'm going to be working on a Dutch pour with my blow dryer. This is a smaller canvas, it's a 10 by 20. I figure it's pretty simple. I'm going to be using my flower hair dryer, which is an absolute mess, and maybe I'll clean it someday, but I am the messy painter. So anyways, I have been practicing this technique for probably 2 weeks now, and hopefully I can get the results that I'm looking for. My base is going to be Payne's Gray by Amsterdam and this beautiful Blue Black Indigo by Atelier, and I have only used this paint a few times and it is really awesome. I have to get it at Jerry's Artarama. I can't get it at any of the craft stores, and it is very pigmented and it's really beautiful. I have it in 3 colors now, and I'm definitely gonna have to go buy more for sure. So for my blowout line, I have the Pearl Arctic Blue by Arteza, I have this Pearl Blue by Amsterdam, and I have this Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. These two look white. When they dry though, they should dry similar to that. Hopefully they'll dry the way I want. So let me get my base down and get ready to go. Wish me luck. Wow. Okay, I'm soaking it in. There's a lot of cool spots. I haven't decided if I like this area or not. Yeah, I kind of like that better. I kind of like the rounded petal area over here better. I don't mind that area. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is, oh my god, I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. I might have to do another one. All right, well, stay tuned for the dried results. I can't believe that I finally did it. I really, really love this painting, and it's actually a shame that it's only a 10 by 20 because I definitely have to do this on a bigger scale. So please keep watching. There's definitely more to come.